In this session, we shall see how to measure elasticity of demand at a given point on a demand curve. Look at this graph. The demand curve is linear. It has uniform slope. Uniform slope doesn't mean the demand curve will have the same elasticity throughout its length. Elasticity differs at different points. We shall see how it differs at different points. The formula that is used to measure elasticity of demand at any given point on a linear demand curve is elasticity of demand is equal to lower segment of the demand curve divided by upper segment of the demand curve. You take any point on the demand curve. That which lies to the left of the point is upper segment of the demand curve. That which lies to the right of the given point is the lower segment of the demand curve. Well, with this, we shall move on how to measure elasticity at different points. Take point D. It lies exactly at the middle of the demand curve. DB lies to the right of the point D. It is the lower segment of the demand curve. DA lies to the left of the given point D. It is the upper segment of the demand curve. To measure elasticity at point D, let us divide the lower segment DB with upper segment AD. Since D is exactly at the middle of the demand curve, the length of the lower segment must be equal to the length of the upper segment. In order to make things clear, let us assume the total length of the demand curve is 4 centimeters. D lies exactly at the middle. Then DB must be 2 centimeters and the DA also must be 2 centimeters. After knowing the length of the lower segment and upper segment numerically, let us try to calculate elasticity of demand at point D. The formula you know very well. Elasticity of demand at point D is equal to lower segment of the demand curve divided by upper segment of the demand curve. The lower segment is DB, upper segment is DA. According to our numerical example, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. The value of elasticity of demand is 1. So, at point D, elasticity of demand is unitary. Now, we shall turn our attention to measure elasticity at C. But before we measure elasticity at C, let us have an understanding about the length of the different segments that we have marked on the demand curve. AC is one segment, CD is another segment, DE is yet another segment, and EB is one more segment. Since we have assumed the total length of the demand curve is 4 centimeters and all the segments have equal length, then AC must be 1 centimeter, CD must be 1 centimeter, DE is 1 centimeter and EB is also 1 centimeter. Keeping this in our mind, we shall measure elasticity at point C. Elasticity at point C equal to lower segment of the demand curve divided by upper segment of the demand curve. Lower segment CB 3 centimeters. Upper segment CA 1 centimeter. 3 divided by 1, 3 greater than 1. Demand is relatively elastic. We shall measure elasticity of demand at point E. Here, the lower segment of the demand curve is EB. Its upper segment is EA. The lower segment is 1 centimeter, upper segment is 3 centimeters. 1 divided by 3 less than 1. Demand is relatively inelastic at point E. Now we shall measure elasticity at point A. We have to apply the same formula, that is lower segment of the demand curve divided by upper segment of the demand curve. At point A, the lower segment of the demand curve is the full length of the demand curve AB. Its length is 4 centimeters. At A, the upper segment is AA. Its length is 0. 4 divided by 0, infinity. Any value divided by 0 is infinity. Here, the demand is perfectly elastic. Now we shall measure elasticity at point B. At B, the lower segment of the demand curve is 0. Its upper segment is AB, 4 centimeters. 0 divided by 4, 0. 0 divided by anything is 0. Here, the demand is perfectly inelastic. Our lesson ends here. I believe you have learned how to measure elasticity at different points on a given linear demand curve like this.